I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the app installed, permissions granted, and target devices reachable. Once those checks pass, open Switcher and sign in. Next, add a device by tapping Add Device and choosing Wi-Fi or USB. Follow on-screen pairing codes. Make sure device names are clear for later. Once paired, enable Cloud Sync if you plan to control multiple endpoints. This saves profiles and avoids repeating setup later. You now build the core experience by creating scenes and mapping inputs. Start with a present scene. Assign camera A, slide share, and background music, then set audio routing so microphone goes live only in speaking scene. Once done, add transitions and overlays, logo, lower thirds, and countdowns so switching looks professional. Then configure output targets: local record, RTMP stream, or cloud archive. Test each source's audio level and label you're ready to go live. Start preview to confirm everything, then hit program to broadcast. Switch scenes manually or trigger macros to automate sequences. Pace your cuts and speak to camera. While live, watch CPU, network bandwidth, and dropped frames. If performance drops, reduce bitrate or resolution or move to Ethernet. If a device disconnects, try reconnecting from settings, restart the app, or repair the device. If issues persist, collect logs and contact support with timestamps for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.